Here I'm going to select one. I can see the optimized toolpaths. I can set a productivity level, which allows me to define how strong the optimization is going to be. I can import them. The toolpaths are imported successfully. I can see that in the NX. Also, I can download the report. The downloaded reports are individual to each toolpath and gives me original and optimized cycle times, saved time, and the productivity change. I can also see how the feed rates have been changed. Here the original feed rate is shown in blue, whereas the optimized is in orange. I can see the chip thickness and cutting forces.